फ्रेंड्स, मैं जानता हूं कि पेपर लीक ये कोई मामूली विषय नहीं है। लाखों विद्यार्थी और उनके अभिभावकों के लिए बहुत ही पीड़ादायक है और इसलिए पेपर लीक घटना से अब तक पिछले 2.5 महीनों में अनेक विध कदम उठाए गए, गुनहगारों को पकड़ा गया है, वे जेल में पड़े हैं। हमारा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मा था कि विद्यार्थियों का 1 वर्ष बर्बाद न हो। तत्काल परीक्षाएं लेना बहुत जरूरी था। सरकार ने अभी पूरी शक्ति का उपयोग करके कम से कम समय में 22 लाख जितने विद्यार्थियों के एग्जाम हो जाएं, इसका प्रबंध किया। और अभी 5-6 दिन पहले 19 तारीख को रिजल्ट भी आ गया और देश भर में उत्तीर्ण हो गए विद्यार्थियों की खुशियों की खबरें भी आ रही हैं। लेकिन हम वहां पर संतोष मानने वाले लोगों में से नहीं है और इसलिए मैंने आज फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट के लिए विभागों को निर्देश दिए थे। आज विभागों ने लगातार मेहनत करके देर रात मुझे मुसद्दा भी दे दिया। फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट और कठोर सजा के प्रावधान के साथ का ये मुसद्दा कल कैबिनेट में चर्चा होगी। कैबिनेट के साथियों के सुझाव के बाद उसका अंतिम रूप दिया जाएगा और सोमवार से संसद का दूसरा सप्ताह शुरू हो रहा है। तब जल्द से जल्द उस बिल को सदन में पारित कराने का प्रयास किया जाएगा।
And that we will also be discussing about the accountability of such lapses, and that we'll all make sure that such things never happen. No child, no parent will have to go through what these 20 children and their parents had to go through. I'm happy that you have assured me that, and I'm sure as the children have been demanding, at the suitable time, and no one to dictate, you will take accountability in the ministry with the minister also as a responsibility, and I'm sure you are already considering. And with these assurances, I'm touched and grateful to the government, and I want to appeal to the protesting students to maintain utmost peace. To express their feelings is a legitimate thing, but I do not approve violence of any kind, and allowing any antisocial elements to take advantage of this is not acceptable to me. It should be a genuine demand by genuinely concerned people, in this case youngsters. So with that being fulfilled, I'm grateful and I'll be happy to break my fast. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. I have my leaders from the apex body of Ladakh, and the KZA were also here, and they have flown all the way from Ladakh. And grateful to them.
And I know
Thank you.
monitor with these के पास है तो
Thank you. Thank you.
मैं आपको मॉनिटर
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And Gitanji, you have always been by my side and support, and I don't want to thank you, but to express my feelings this way.
पीछे रखो पिलो इधर
Hunger tastes better.
So, want to have some milk also?
No, please follow the
Please,
guidelines.
1 minute. MLP should be simple. One by one.
Yeah, I have sent a day by day menu. No, sir.
No, just simple. Just for
One spoon.
Not a spoon also.
No,
Just
sir. People don't know whether to. No, sir. I know how to.
Refeeding syndrome happens.
No,
It's a refeeding
Mom,
syndrome.
he doesn't have to drink it.
Yes.
But why, sir? It is wrong.
It's-
To give
it's-
milk.
Okay.
I don't want to show
Acha.
you.
Just soup is
Take it.
best.
Okay.
Soup is best. Low energy.
Can I also? I want to.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. After 26 days, this tastes very good, but hunger doesn't taste bad either.
To some people, no?
My doctors here have been very, very kind, and